Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to center your text in your pages on the Notion website or Notion desktop application. So now the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your Notion web portal and sign in with your Google or Apple account, or you can just sign in with your email address. Otherwise, you can just open your desktop application and then follow these simple steps. So here in this example, I have just created this new page and that contains this little text. So now we need to center our text in our page. Basically, Notion doesn't allow or doesn't give a feature of aligning the text directly as the default ways that we know to have like an option that is called align, but we can use an alternative solution to align our text. So the thing is to add an empty line to our block here or next to our block, and then we will adjust it, and this way we will have our text that is aligned. So basically this is our line that is empty, so we want to drag it here. So you take it from this icon, we take our line and we take it here next to the line or the text that we want to center, until we see the blue line that will become vertical. Then we unleash our dragon move, and now you can adjust your column or your text section until you have the desired alignment in your page. So basically this is how you can align your text or to center uh, your text in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.